Hello, good morning. Hope you are doing well and everything is okay from your side. Okay. Subscribe to our channel to allow you to get notification for further videos we will be posting, and to allow you also to learn about R from the basic level to the complex levels and so on. From scratch to the complex level. And for R, theta, SPSS, whatever, you can learn from our channel. And in case also you need to be trained, when you need a training or you have some data you want those data to be analyzed and interpreted and so on, you can just contact us in our email. Okay, you can find everything down there. Now we are talking about multicollinearity test using VIF and Pearson correlation test and so on. We will talk about how to check for homoscedasticity and heterosedasticity today. Then, what is homoscedasticity and heteroscedasticity? Homoscedasticity is meaning of the heteroscedasticity is equal variances in your data or among the residuals of your variables. Okay. Well, there is homoscedasticity, there is no problem. It's what we need before to do whatever we want. But when there is unequal of variances, we have problem of heterosedasticity, and which can bring issues in our result. So this reason we are checking and see how to proceed to correct them to get better results. Okay, when we are talking is about that, when we are talking about homoscedasticity or heterosedasticity. And we have many tests, but in our case here, we will be just using brush pattern test, which is widely used. We'll start with brush pattern test, and after, in our next videos, we'll talk about white test, wall test, and so on. And now, in R, as I was just saying, to do something which is specific, we need also specific packages and so on. To do our test here, what we can use is, we can use this package called LM test, which can allow us now to proceed with our test now. LM test. Okay. LM test as package. Then you need, if you don't have yet it, you need to install it first. Install packages LM test. Okay, we need to do that first. Yes, but me, I have already it. You can just run, and after having it, you can now use also library LM test to call this package. Okay, then after doing all those things, now we can now run our test. Then it's BP test. Okay, we are calling it brush pattern test. Heterosedasticity. Then actually note here, null hypothesis here is what? Homoscedasticity. Okay, now this one we will be rejecting or accepting according to the result of the test. And BP test, will just write BP test and now put the model. For example, we are just using probit logit previously, and we need to run a model before now to proceed with this kind of test. Then after running the model itself, like the way it is, like we have here probit logit, you can use logit because we have already run it. Then we can just put the logit and now run our test. It will be having the result. Okay, we have the result. Okay, yeah, and now we can just conclude, yeah, according to what the p-value is just giving us. Yeah, as you can see the value, you can see the value of p-value is 2.02 times exponent minus 8, very far away from 5%. And now we can do what? We can reject our H note because now our P value is less than 5%. And now rejecting our H note, we are accepting now the alternative hypothesis. And the alternative hypothesis is what? Heterosedasticity. Then saying that there is problem of heteroscedasticity here. As I'm telling you, homoscedasticity is not a problem. The problem is heteroscedasticity. Then when we are rejecting our H note now, that means that we have problem for heteroscedasticity, and we need to correct this problem before to proceed to get the better result, the best result. That is okay. Hope that this video will help you. Enjoy it. As I was saying, in case you need to be trained to understand more whatever is for your study of your project and so on. We just contact us, get in touch with us for further explanation, further study and so on. Not only R, Stata, or SPSS, even Excel. So we want to understand more, learn more about Excel. You can just save our contact and contact us. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy your day. These are just you can just test us on this email. Thank you.